If for whatever reason we do need to exit the aircraft while the rotor blade is spinning, it's important that we exit kind of in this general direction. You have quite a bit of clearance, as you can see, but it is good practice just to crouch.
Yeah, I'll try not to jump.
Yeah, don't go woohoo! I love helicopters!
Yeah.
There is a little window here that you can play with, so if you want to, don't lose your camera.
I will try not to.
We're not going back for it. For you sitting in the front, there's a fire extinguisher right there. You can probably see it.
Perfect.
There's also a little switch right here, which is for the ELT, which is an emergency locator transmitter. In the event of an emergency, you can just flick that on. It will send out a beacon and they will be able to find us. And again, it goes without saying, but please don't push any buttons and turn any knobs or anything like that.
No, that would be very bad.
And your seatbelt is there.
Thank you.